Yo, what's going on, you guys? It is Margie, aka Vape Tech Unboxed, and in today's video we're gonna be taking a look at a few cases from the company Torras for your iPhone XS Max. But before we jump into this video, I do want to say I hope you're all having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and I love you guys, but you already know that. So let's jump in to this video. Bam, in there they are. So we actually have got 3 cases and we have a wireless charger from the company Torras. Now, I want to send a big shout out to Lens over at Torras for getting in touch with me and sending these out, supporting the channel so that way I can show you guys here on the channel. All right, you guys, so let's see. We've got a few things to go through. So let's start off with the wireless charger. I'll put this one off to the side. I've been getting asked about the wireless charger, so I'll link it for you guys down in the description. We're gonna put it off to the side because we're gonna use Torras's. So let's open this up first and we'll go from there. Now, if you want to pick up the charger or any of the cases, I'll go ahead and leave the links for you down below in the description so you guys can check it out. They're all reasonable in price, so you can't go wrong with it. Now, the charging pad is going to run you $29.99, 30 bucks for this one. It's called the C15 wireless charger. Of course, it's going to work with any Qi enabled devices. Let's see, anything we really need to know. The material of leather cloth with an exquisite and unmarked quality. Overheating, overcharge protection, safe and secure, intelligent charging. Light and fashion, small and portable. With QC 2.0 and QC 3.0 power adapter, it will support Apple 7.5 watt fast charging. Now, let's get this packaging open, just like that. This is really nice packaging too. Like this is nice, it's premium. So you get C15 wireless charger, over discharge, over voltage protection, anti-skid, and soft lighting. Okay, and then you just open up the box from the top. Ooh, this is a nice one. This is pretty big. We're gonna get that out of here though. This is a fairly big charger. This will look good on any desk or even like by your bedside to charge at night. Get that out of here. Okay. We got some pamphlets and it does come with a cable. Awesome. Get that out of here. Now, okay, we're gonna get those out of here. And let's take out the cable. What is this? Very nice. So this is a USB to USB-C connector. Okay, we're just gonna stick it in the USB-C in, and there we go. And let me go ahead and connect this to the wall and we'll try it out. All right, so I got it plugged into the wall. This is a nice size puck. It has this leather ring around it, a little bit of company branding here. It's a nice soft material too. And then obviously the bottom is like that sticky material, so that way it doesn't slide. So on the bottom here it says input is 5.0 volts at 2.0 amps and 9.0 volts at 2.0 amps and 12 volts at 1.5 amps. All right, let's go ahead and check to see if it works first. And boom, it works with the phone by itself. That is so nice. It's so big. That just looks good because of this leather. It's so awesome. Okay, we're gonna leave that here. We're gonna try out wirelessly charging these cases. Let's go ahead and start with the cases. This one says, protective case, full protection, fit perfectly, green materials. Nice packaging. Now this one looks like the clear, crystal clear, yeah. This one here is gonna run you $19.99. This one's just their clear case. Let's go ahead and get it open. All right. Nothing else in the box, get that out of here. You get a little card, get that out of here. And get that out of here. And last but not least, get that out of here. All right, so this one here is a jelly-like case. So it's really flexible, really gel-like. This one's gonna be for you to show off the back of your phone. It feels really good in your hand though. like I have a lot of grip to my phone. It doesn't add any extra bulk, so it's not too thick. It fits in your hand perfectly. It actually feels really good. I have a better grip with this case on my phone than I do without the case, because my hands are so small and the phone is fairly big. So it does add some grip. Now you may get some fingerprints, but all you gotta do is just wipe them off and you have a crystal clear case again. I like these cases because you wanna show off your iPhone. You just paid mad money for these, so you wanna show them off. And these are great cases to do that in. They also add against like scratch protection, minor drop protection, but I always recommend pairing it up with a screen protector, although you do get some front screen bezels. So that's gonna help you with your front screen protection. That's gonna save you from small drops. And if you just like to place your phone face down, you're not gonna have to worry about scratching that screen up. You also get a nice bezel around your camera to protect your lenses. So if you place it down like that, you should be good. It should not scratch up on you. The buttons are very clicky. You got a nice feedback from them. That goes the same for all buttons. And your mute rocker cutout is super easy to get to. They didn't make it too deep, and it's large enough to get to it. Let's go ahead and check out the cutouts on the bottom. Now, I've been noticing this with some cases, and I'm noticing that they're making the cutouts the same size instead of it just matching the speaker and mic. So you see here we have 6 holes on this side and 4 on this side. There's only been a few cases that actually make the cutouts to match like the little holes there. This is definitely one of the cases that it just matches. You see, it's just as big as the right side. I don't know, maybe they just wanted to keep it balanced. Either way, your lightning cutout is pretty large, so you should be able to fit third-party chargers, and you actually should be able to dock to. It's not deep or anything like that. But there's this one. This is the crystal clear one, and I dig it. This one's definitely for those of you who want to show off your iPhone and maybe you don't like cases too much. I don't think you can go wrong with this one here. Very nice clear case. Let's go ahead and move it along, and we're gonna move it along to this one here. Same packaging, it says the same exact thing. This one's going to be their Love series. I think they're both part of the Love series, to be honest with you. So the Love series are liquid silicone cases. So they're gonna be a cheaper version of like the Apple silicone cases. These ones, I had this for the iPhone 10. And honestly, you can't even tell the difference really between the Apple one and these ones. So if you want to go for a cheaper alternative, go for this one. Get that out of here. Now these ones do run you a little bit more, and it's going to come out to $25.99, so 26 bucks for this one, but still a lot cheaper than the original Apple silicone cases. So you get the same kind of feel. You get the soft silicone touch. Let's go ahead and open this one up too while we're at it, so you guys can see both colors. All right, get that out of here. So now we have a black, and then we have like this teal color, which looks really nice. I'm gonna throw on the teal color. You can see on the inside here, you have that microfiber material, a little bit of company branding. We'll just throw it on. Now that is a tight fit. There's no wiggle room on the sides. It's hugging the phone super tight. You get a nice tight fit with that. And in hand, it for sure feels like the original Apple cases. It really does. It has a nice silicone touch. The cool thing about these cases, about the Torras Love cases, is that a lot of lint don't stick to it too much. Now, I like the Apple silicone cases, but I prefer the leather ones just because I don't like having to wipe my phone off every second of the day, because having lint and little hairs and stuff stick to my phone after being in my pocket, it truly, truly irritates me, like so freaking bad. But these ones are just a tad bit different because they're not so sticky. They're not as sticky as the Apple ones. So you're not gonna see so much like lint sticking to them. And if you do a little wipe like that, it's gonna come right off. So they feel really good in hand. Like I said, this one feels super good. This one is very thin and lightweight, so it's gonna fit into your hand very nicely. It's gonna fit in your pockets nicely. The bottom is all cut out, so you just be careful. but you do get some bezels and the corners here do raise over, so it should protect your bottom from getting scratched up. And also that screen, it's gonna protect you from small drops, stuff like that. Your camera cutout's also protected in a nice little cutout there. This one just feels really good. Like I said, holding it in your hand, there doesn't feel like there's any difference between an Apple version and this version. It's pretty similar. Obviously you pay for the Apple logo, stuff like that. For this one here, the back is clean. I like that. There's no company branding. It's just nice and clean. Looks really good. Buttons, very clicky. You can even hear the clicks. They feel really nice when you're clicking them. Very tactile. Mute rocker cutout, of course, is easy to get to. Let's try out wireless charging, and we'll go back to the clear case to show you guys wireless charging. Boom, obviously wireless charging does work. It's super thin case, very nice. All right, let's try the clear case wireless charge real quick, just that way you guys can see that it does work. Boom, it's working. There's the little green battery. And let me show you guys what the black one looks on, because that one looks really cool too. Now the black one, it has the microfiber cloth again, but the black one here, you're gonna notice a lot more stuff picking up on the black. So a lot more lint is going to be attracted to the black one, obviously. So go with a different color if you're like me and you don't like lint and hair and all kinds of stuff sticking to your phone. Maybe the black one is not the best, you know, color choice. This one was really nice. You can't even see anything sticking to it. Black, I can already see fingerprints. I can see little lint pieces. So yeah, I get annoyed by it. But just like the Till one, it feels really good in your hand. This one has a nice silicone feel to it. Feels really sticky. You get a nice grip with these cases. They're very grippy. Same large cutout for your speaker, mic, and lining. Buttons, again, are super clicky, very tactile, and your mute rocker cutout. Let's try out wireless charging, and of course it works. So yeah, these are the Love series, and these ones actually are really nice. So if you guys are interested in picking these ones up, definitely go with a color like this for sure, unless you want black and you don't mind having to wipe off your phone. But I'm like really liking this one too, just because it looks good. I want to be able to show off my phone and show, you know, show this really expensive device off. This is not a bad option. I really like it. All right, you guys, that's the end of the cases that we got, and we got the wireless charger. Boom, boom, boom. We'll leave this one in here because I'll probably be using this one. There they are. This is the Love series and the Crystal Clear series from Torras. Again, shout out to Lens over at Torras. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and sending these out, so that way I can show all of you lovely people. And again, if you guys want to pick these up for yourselves, all of the information and the links are going to be down below in the description. Let me know what you guys thought about these. Let me know which one is your favorite, obviously. And also, if you guys have any case suggestions or cases you want to see me pick up before you buy, make sure you drop that down below as well. I appreciate your guys' company so very much. You guys freaking rock, and I truly, truly, truly love you guys. I love making these videos. I love this time of year because I could just create these videos for you guys and, you know, spend this 15 minutes or so talking to you guys. Anyways, that's pretty much the end of this video. So yeah, if you guys want to become a true MVP, make sure you check out all of my social media links, including my second channel. All of it's gonna be linked down below for you guys. So make sure you guys go check out the description when you're done here. I love each and every single one of you guys. Y'all better stay freaking dope, and I will catch you in my next video.